And there it is. So here's everything the box comes with. We have the drawers, the charging station, the metal frame, the shelves, the hardware, and the instructions. So the first thing to do is to grab the posts labeled 4 and 5, and we're going to be screwing in the feet from baggie I at the bottom over here. That's 1, there's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. Now it's time to attach this L-shaped piece to these pieces labeled 4, and we're going to do it on this little area over here using the screws from baggie F. Just like that. And now the same thing for the post labeled 5. And now this piece can be attached to the bottom piece just like so. And we're going to screw in the bolts from baggie C right over here. And now the same thing for the other one. And now it's time to attach these two pieces together. So we're going to face them each other, making sure that these L parts face each other like this. We're going to attach it with these long posts, and we're going to be using these bolts from baggie A. Now it's time to install the shelves, and the first one goes at the bottom over here, and I'm going to be using screws from baggie D along with the smallest Allen wrench. And the second shelf goes on top over here. And now it's time to install the last shelf right on top here, and make sure that backspace is towards the back and it's opposite of where the opening is for here, since this is where the drawer goes. And to make it easier, I'm going to flip this upside down, and we can screw everything into place with the bolts from baggie B. Now the charging station can be placed right over here, and we're going to screw it in with the small screws from baggie F. So we're almost done. The last thing is to put the drawer together. So it comes in these two parts. This part can just be opened right up, and this fits right inside. And then it's time to put the handle. So this is placed right here, and it's screwed from the inside. All right, and there it is. Now let me find a space for this. So I end up using this as more of a side table, and my plant before was on the ground, and I didn't want to get a plant holder, so I thought this was a good choice. It also serves that purpose. I decorated it with my llama alpaca here, and then put some of my recording gear here, and I'm also going to put this camera right there to store it instead of me just piling things on top of my desk here. And then here's what the drawer looks like. Just put a few things in here for now, and there still is a shelf at the bottom. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this, and this replaces what I had here before, which would have been like this ottoman to store a few things. This just looks a little bit easier to grab things out now. But yeah, that's a quick look at the nightstand with charging station.